So fresh, so clean. If you are not caught up on the vlogs, I will fill you in. My roommate's friends are moving out of town. Just stick with me. His friends are moving out of state. And so they have a lot of stuff that they are not bringing. So they were like, you guys can just take whatever you want and then we'll deal with the rest of it. It's kind of like we're doing them a favor. My other roommate and I, we live for this kind of stuff. We spent like 3+ hours going through everything. We were like foaming at the mouth. We were like, this is my pile, don't touch it. My point is, today we are going to reorganize my space, feel out the new furniture, rearranging. Ooh, this is just like the best day of my life. Yesterday for like the shared spaces, we rearranged it. Our house feels so new. Anyways, let me just show you. All of this is free. If it wasn't free, I could not have afforded it. Like ever. I just couldn't. This is our couch that we got off Facebook Marketplace and it was so cute and it's so comfy. It's filled with feathers. Got it for $250. Such a steal. This is our new coffee table and it looks like an ice cream sandwich, which we love. Watch this. Watch this. You're effing with me. It's a little table. And then there's like a little storage on the inside too, which is really nice. It's like soft clothes. I think maybe the greatest find of the day, however, was this entertainment center. So cute. It's like shiny, 2 cabinet doors. We got this for my roommate that couldn't be there. It's like a 3D Sonic. I don't know. It's really cute. And I got a new rug. It's so soft and there was a stain on it and I got the stain out and it's like shaggy. It's really nice. Incredibly like random find. 2 massive candy canes. They are technically ornaments. They're like so sparkly and so cute. And there's 2 of them. $25 originally. I got $50 worth of candy canes. I want to give you a little bit of a haul now. I got this big Sherpa orange storage bench. I love the Sherpa texture. There was a small stain on here, which there kind of is still. It's like right there. This looks scary now. I cleaned this just like I cleaned the rug yesterday. And actually I cleaned my chair too. And it looks so much better. The room just feels new. I even went to town on my Slowpoke and I think he looks better. Girl, I don't really know. Everything else is out here, so let me bring it in. Quite a few things. I got this, I assume it's a shoe rack. I don't think there were ever shoes on this. I don't know what I'll use this for, but I think it's really cute. The thing that I am perhaps most excited for is this walking pad. I'm going to be acting different. Next, I got this artwork. I love Outcast. It says so fresh, so clean. It's so cute. Let me show you a close-up. Absolutely adore this. With all of this, I don't know exactly where I want it to go. That's for us to figure out today. Next, this beautiful mirror. You could use it like flat, or there is a hook on it too to put it on the wall. It is just so gorgeous. Like it has gold flowers on it and just like the details. 2 more things. I got this big white shelf. It's open in the front, but there's still like structure and stuff. It's almost like a floating bookshelf, but it has these on the side. And then the last thing is just like something small. This little basket, it's like this like cream color and it's like woven. I think the best option for this is to just kind of like play around with these pieces, put them somewhere if I don't like it, blah, blah. And it's kind of hard because I have all of my Christmas decor out. I love it, but it's like there's already a lot going on. Let's try to figure out where this goes because I have 2 ideas for it. I either want to put this at the end of my bed or against this wall. My rug, if you can kind of see right here, it is kind of small. I fear that if I put the ottoman there, it's really going to accentuate how tiny the rug is. It does look kind of cute, but then it just looks a little odd. I used to have a bed skirt. It kind of fell apart. So I would kind of like to get a new one. And so I'm like, is that why it doesn't look right? I don't know. Okay, so here's option 1. It does not look horrible, but I do fear that it is a bit congested now. Maybe it was congested before. I think I do need to rearrange everything on the wall behind me. It's just a little bit too spread out. Like I feel like if I had like a closer gallery wall, it would be really cute. Okay, I'm gonna take out the rug, put this there, and then we'll see how that looks. Oh God, okay. I kind of like this. This does just feel a little bit empty now. I was sitting in that chair to kind of just get the full picture of it, and I think I'm happy with this. So I'm gonna keep it like this for now. Obviously, if I end up not liking it, I can always change it. This corner is less busy. There's so much more room in here too. Perfect. Okay, I think I might actually really like this here. Don't really know what to do with this, but I will find something. Now we are going to tackle this wall. Because look, it just like is spaced out. The best plan of action is to take everything off the wall and organize it on the ground and then put it up. This is what we're looking at here. It does look kind of cluttered, so I might take out a few things. I feel like the mirror and this is competing. Okay, I need a second. I feel like the mirror does look a little bit odd, but I think it's cute. Oh, there's a big spider. Where did that come from? I have full body chills right now. Where the F did that come from? Okay, the ones over here are definitely a little not straight. All of this stuff that I am doing today, I am going to sit on it for at least a day or two before I change anything, just so I can really get the full picture, see if I really like it. I think this is cute. I just have to get used to it. I think I want the white shelf to go where this pink tree is. Look how effing cute it is. And that is like the most perfect little corner for it. Okay, I kind of like it at an angle. It's like the perfect size for here. This tree, I think I will just move on the other side of this Animal Crossing painting. I think it'll look so cute. These things that were on these shelves on the wall, I will just put onto this shelf. I think that this wall is cute. I do like this little mirror here. And it doesn't look too messy with this shelf. And there's not going to be a lot on it anyway. I don't want it to be too cluttered. Oh my God, it's so cute here. Okay, so this little like shoe rack thing, I'm just gonna leave here and we'll put like plants on it or something. I think I know exactly what I want to do with this. So fresh, so clean. Obviously it has to go in the bathroom. My bathroom's a bit of a mess. I did laundry yesterday. I was too tired to put it away. We're just gonna act like that's not here. Actually, I just remembered that I did not finish this over here. It'll take like 2 seconds, but it looks so cluttered. Back into the bathroom we go. I have this blue poster here. It's like immersive Van Gogh experience. Such a scam. So expensive, so ass. Behind my toilet, I have this blue like ballerinas one, which I think I want to cut down because I don't want to see the little like thing there. This poster is so big and it has like a wire on the back and like Velcro even to hang it up. But I'm gonna be a little crazy and take off the Van Gogh poster. Put this, ignore the ginormous pile of clothes. They're clean at least, you know. Jesus. I have this lingerie little cute thing here, which I think I will put in place of the Van Gogh painting. And then I will put this here because this is really cute. I think that's cute. Oh, God, now I don't know. I don't know if it looks weird just because it's so big, but also it's tough when there's a mountain of clothes here on the bathtub as well. Like I said, my rule, we're just gonna let it live and we will circle back. This is cute. Is it too high up? I'll leave it. And I'm not leaving these things just because I'm lazy, okay? That just might be a small part of it. This is cute though. Now I'm going to cut this down because it looks like a National Geographic whatever. That took so much longer than I was anticipating. Maybe it looks like ass, but I like it. I think it's cute. Again, we're just gonna let it be for now. Okay, I vacuumed. Everything is put away. So I think, like, besides the Christmas decorations, I think this is how it will look from here on out. The shelf with the slow poke, so much better. It's clustered, but it looks a lot more organized because it's not spread out all over the wall. Then this over here. We'll probably add more. Honorable mention to the Christmas trees. They're so cute. But the main star of the show, Miss Girl Orange Sherpa, I think it's really cute. I was a little unsure of the orange, but like I have been adding splashes of color to my room, so I think it's fine. And also like the utility of it is so nice. The walking pad honestly will probably go behind this door or something. So here is this. It looks so effing cute in here. And now the bathroom, this trimmed down looks kind of crazy now, but what has been done cannot be undone. And then this lingerie thing here. I think it looks cute. And then, like I said, all of my clean laundry. I think that this does look cute. It's just a lot bigger than what was here. I'll just have to get used to it, but it is so, so cute. Oh my God. It feels so good in here. I will see over the next few days how I'm liking everything. I just feel like I've been living here for 4 years and just now, just this month, it has felt like a home. You know what? Better late than never. And girl, this is all I have for you today. I have 2 mountains of clean laundry to fold. Just the usual. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I have no idea what we will be doing tomorrow, but I am excited for it. Happy Vlogmas. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.